Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you'd like to have this info on the status bar just like I do, then all you have to do is to simply enter the settings, and here let's enter the notifications and status bar. In the status bar section on the second position we've got show battery percentage on status bar options, so let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. Currently I've got the second option applied, so outside the battery icon the percentage is right next to the battery indicator, but we can set it also inside the battery icon, and that was a misclick. Inside the battery icon, just tap on the option you'd like to use. As you can see, it will be immediately changed. Right now it is inside the battery icon, or we can turn it off just by picking the option do not display. And as you can see, we've got only the battery indicator, but let me stick to this option for example. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.